Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're packing our bags and heading south to Peru, a land of ancient wonders, vibrant cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're dreaming of hiking the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, exploring the Amazon rainforest, or soaking in the vibrant energy of Lima, this video is your ultimate guide to experiencing the best of Peru. We've got you covered with essential travel tips and insider hacks to make your journey unforgettable. Let's get started. Let's start with the foundation of any successful trip: packing smart. Remember, less is more. Peru's diverse climate, from the Andes Mountains to the Amazon rainforest, means you'll need to be prepared for anything. Pack versatile clothing items that can be layered. Don't forget a good raincoat, a hat for the sun, and comfortable walking shoes. Trust me, your feet will thank you after exploring the ancient ruins. Packing cubes are a traveler's best friend. They'll help you compress your clothes and keep your suitcase organized, leaving more room for souvenirs. Now let's talk about getting you to Peru without breaking the bank. Finding affordable flights is like a game, and a little flexibility goes a long way. Shoulder seasons like spring and fall often offer the best deals on airfare and fewer crowds. Don't be afraid to fly into smaller airports like Cusco instead of Lima. You might be surprised at the savings. And here's a tip: sign up for fare alerts. They'll notify you of any price drops so you can snag that deal. Peru is a generally safe country, but like any destination, it's essential to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. Keep your valuables secure, especially in crowded areas, and avoid flashing large sums of cash. Before you venture out, research the neighborhoods you'll be visiting and stick to well-lit and populated areas, especially at night. And remember, a little local knowledge goes a long way. Don't hesitate to ask your hotel or guest house for recommendations on safe and reputable transportation options. In today's tech-savvy world, your smartphone can be your most valuable travel companion. Download a few essential travel apps before you go, and you'll have a world of information and convenience at your fingertips. Google Maps will be your best friend for navigating Peru's cities and towns, while TripAdvisor can guide you to the tastiest restaurants and must-see attractions. And when it comes to managing your money, the XE Currency app is a lifesaver for getting real-time exchange rates. Embrace the power of technology, and you'll be amazed at how much smoother your trip will be. So there you have it, fellow explorers. We've covered the essential tips and tricks to help you plan an unforgettable Peruvian adventure. Remember to pack light, find those affordable flights, stay safe by being aware of your surroundings, and let technology be your guide with handy travel apps. Now get out there, explore the ancient wonders, embrace the vibrant culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And that's a wrap on our Peruvian adventure. We hope these tips have inspired you to start planning your dream trip. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. We release new videos every Tuesday and Friday, so be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep embracing the beauty of our amazing world. Happy travels, everyone!